my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 31 in the math section of ACT 72E. Oh! Pause the video. Why not, huh? If you pause the video now, you can take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause it and watch the explanation. Could be good, because we're getting in there. It reads, in triangle ABC, shown below, sine of C equals 4 over 5, and the length of AB is 10 inches. What is the length in inches of AC? So, sohcahtoa is going to end up being pretty useful here. And what we learned from sohcahtoa is that the sine of an angle within a right triangle is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Well, in this case, we know that sine of C equals 4 over 5. And we could also say that sine of C equals opposite over hypotenuse. So 4 over 5 equals opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite in this case is side AB, which is 10. So we have 4 over 5 equals 10 over, what's the hypotenuse? Well, it's side AC. If we knew that, we wouldn't be talking about it anymore. We'd probably be outside, playing with our friends. Maybe frisbee golf or something cooler. I'm just kidding. There's nothing cooler than frisbee golf, duh. Anyway, now we have this fraction. 4 over 5 equals 10 over, let's call it x. And we cross multiply. All right, well that means that 50 equals 4 times x. We divide both sides by 4 because, algebra. And then we have 50 over 4 equals x. Oh no, I don't see 50 over 4 in the answer choices. Don't you though? You might be able to tell that we can reduce this fraction. Both 50 and 4 have 2 as a factor. So we can divide out and we get 25 over 2. But if you don't feel comfortable simplifying those fractions on your own, your calculator can help. If you type 50 divided by 4 and then enter into a TI 83 or 84, and then press math and enter again because the first option that comes up is frac, it will convert 50 divided by 4 into the simplified fraction form of 25 over 2. Which is great, because that's the answer. E. Sweet! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or particular problems you'd like me to tackle, why don't you email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.